In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to connect cTrader to TradingView. Now, if we go to the trading panel in TradingView, then we click on the search button and then simply search for cTrader. As you can see, nothing is found. That's because it's not available directly on TradingView, but you can go to the cTrader website and you can create a new account. You can click on start trading. Now here, as you can see, they have a lot of markets from forex to stocks, so you just have to simply click on it and then you're gonna have to choose what do you want to buy to start trading. Now this isn't a platform like TradingView. It's more based on community, and as you can see, you have risk on trade and you're gonna have to buy these tools and start trading. So we have indicators, we have plugins, then we have brokers here. So as you can see here, we can open accounts on different brokers, and on cTrader we can buy bots, indicators, plugins based on which market you want to trade. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.